Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga mathematics fan. Sa video ito ay tatalakayin natin ang writing an equation of a line given 2 points. So yan, let's go. So ito yung problem. Write the equation of a line given 3, -5, -4. So kapag 2 points yung given, ang magiging formula natin ay ang 2-point form. Yan, nakita nyo naman yung formula. And then, nilagyan na natin ng label yung 2 points. So, yung y sub 1 natin is -5. Yan. And then, yung y sub 2, yun, +2. And yung y sub 1 is -5. Over, so, tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung tamang pag-substitute. And take note, kailangan tama talaga yung pag-substitute natin. Hindi pwedeng magkamali. Yan, so lagyan ng parentheses pag nag-substitute para hindi tayo malilito. So, x sub 1 natin is -5. Or -3 pala. Yan. Okay, sa next step tayo ay i-multiply natin yung negative times -5. So, ang sagot ko na +5. And same process. So, negative times -5 is +5. Bring down natin yung negative here. Of course, negative times +3 is -3. And yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ayan. So, next step tayo. Bring down muna natin yung y plus 5. So, 2 plus 5, 7. And -4 minus 3 is -7. At bring down natin yung x minus 3. So, yan. Next step. So, i-divide lang natin yung 7 over -7. So, -1 yung sagot. And after that, bring down ulit and i-distribute na natin yung -1 sa x minus 3. So, -1 times x is -x. So, -1 times -3 is +3. So, sa standard form yung ating goal dito. So, write the equation of a line in standard form. So, yung standard form natin is ax plus by equals c. So, gagamit tayo dito ng transposition method. Yung negative x, i-transfer sa left side, magiging positive x. At yun din yung y. Yung positive 5 naman, i-transfer sa right side, magiging negative. So ito na yung final natin. 3 minus 5 is -2. So, yung standard form natin, o equation of a line in standard form is x plus y equals -2. So, ganun lang yung tamang pag-write ng equation of a line given 2 points. So, yung formula na ginagamit natin ay ang 2-point form. Okay?